Hello, I'm going to show you how to earn your 00 status in 007 First Light. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's earn your 00 status. First, keep progressing through the main campaign because your promotion is tied to the game's story rather than something you can unlock right away. Focus on completing your assigned objectives and finishing missions instead of spending too much time on optional activities. Alright, if the game gives you training exercises or required evaluations, make sure you complete those before moving on. Once they're finished, continue advancing through the next story missions as they become available. Now, avoid worrying about farming extra resources or replaying earlier missions unless you want additional rewards. The fastest path is staying focused on the main progression until the game officially awards you 00 status. Once you earn it, you'll gain access to higher-level missions and the advanced equipment that comes with your new clearance. And that's how you earn your 00 status in 007 First Light.